guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ego Trippin' and I'm back with another video. So today I'm coming to you guys with another video, and this is gonna be doing a video on the Ipsy bag for the month of August. And that bag is $12 a month, and it comes with like 5 miniature size products. Sometimes you do get one full size product. If you guys are interested in this bag, I will make sure to put the link down below. I hope you guys are doing well. If y'all ready to get in this bag, I'm not gonna ramble because I'm ready to see what we got. So here's the bag. Okay, this is the bag. This is a really cute bag. I like when the bags are like really simple and cute. So here's the bag, y'all. It's a little bag. And you guys Ipsy right there. It does come with a card. And the theme for this month is Wonderlust. Here it is. Anyhow, if you guys are interested in seeing what I got in my little bag, then keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to pull out the bag is the biggest, and this is a brush. I'm not sure exactly what type of brush this is, but it's some sort of makeup brush, and it says Lightning Crew MOTD. So Lightning Crew MOTD. It's really soft. I think I can use it like as a, maybe a highlighter brush, maybe. I don't know, I'm not sure. But it's super cute. It's super cute. I like it. If you guys ever want to like get your brush game up and get a really good brush collection, Ipsy, they always have like some type of makeup brushes in their bag. So this is the first product. And again, it's on here is Lightning Crew MOTD. I've never heard of the company. If you guys have heard of the company, make sure you let me know and leave it down below. I would greatly appreciate it. But I do like this brush. Super cute, nothing fancy, but it's cute. It's gonna do the job. It's gonna get the makeup on. So this is number 1. The next item we have in the bag is this lip gloss, Sophia Mabel. I'm loving the lip gloss. That's super cute. We have it nice and sealed up. I do have on lip gloss already, but it won't hurt to put some more on. Yeah, Sophia Mabel. Never heard of that company either. And oh, it says Juice Bar lip oil. I think I heard of the Juice Bar. So yeah, I'm digging that. That's super cute. It got like, it has a sweet smell to it, but nothing like I can really like pinpoint as far as the smell or what it smells like. But I've really been deep off into the lip gloss. I don't know, the lip gloss just it make the lips look good. There's the lip gloss. I like that. So again, you guys, the second product that I'm spitting. Sorry, y'all. The second product, I got too much damn lip juice on my lips. So yeah, the second product is the Sophia Mabel, and this is the lip oil. I like that. Alrighty, next product we have in our bag is the Siete London Wonderlust Mascara. And so we have the mascara by Siete London. We have received products from them a lot. I really can't, like as far as the wands and stuff, yeah, I can't even sit up here and lie. I don't really pay attention to the wand. I really don't until I go to use it. But we're gonna try it on. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not sure. I like to use like a thinner liner or a thinner mascara for the bottom lash, and that's super thick for the bottom for me, but we'll try it. We'll use it. Okay, so that is that. That is the Siete London Mascara and Wonder Wand. I said Wonderland. So yeah, that's the Siete London Wonder Wand Mascara. Okay. Next item, and this is going to be, it says Daily Hemp Oil Facial Cleanser. So this is a 15 milliliter Daily Hemp Oil Facial Cleanser, and it's called Feel. Okay. I don't know. Let me see. Yeah, it just has the ingredients on the back, so we'll definitely try that. Okay. Again, that is a cleanser and a Daily Hemp Oil Facial Cleanser. All right, so that is that. And our last item in the bag, this is Confidence in Gel Lotion, oil-free for all skin type. I don't know if this is It Cosmetic, but it says It right there. I'm not sure, y'all. Y'all know, Sister King. See, I need to get some glasses. Some reading glasses for sure. Yeah, it is It Cosmetics. So this is a gel lotion, hydro plumping, skin transforming, weightless moisturizer, a 72-hour hydration. So I know if it's by It Cosmetic. I like It Cosmetics, so I know this got to be some really good stuff. So that is the miniature size moisturizer, weightless moisturizer. So that's cool. And at some point I was considering canceling my $12 bag, but I'm not, because you do get some really nice stuff in here for $12. Again, like most of the time, I ain't gonna say most of the time, but a lot of times, like with Ipsy, you do get like a lot of brushes and stuff, but this little brush right here, like for $12, I'm not sure how much all of this stuff totals, but I'm sure that I got my $12 worth. So again, we got the brush right here, you guys. Got us a nice little brush. I don't know what to use it for, but we gonna use it. We're gonna utilize it. We have the Wonder Wand mascara from Siete London, and that I like Siete London's products. I really, really do. We have the Daily Hemp Oil Facial Cleanser, and this is a company called Feel. If you guys heard of this company, let me know down below. Can't wait to try this out on my face. Yeah, I can't wait to try this out on my face. So that is that. Then we have the Sophia Maybell, and this is the lip oil, and I guess this is from Juice Bar. I do love I'm loving. Yeah, I'm really, really loving the lip oils. I really am. And they keep my lips hydrated too, so, and it's cute. So that is that. And then last but not least is by It Cosmetics, and this is the gel lotion. So this is that. So overall, this bag was good. This bag was really, really good. I like that bag. My favorite product in there, it had to be between these two right here, the lip oil or the brush, because I love my little brushes. Definitely, like for sure. Stay on there. I love my brushes, and I'm loving how cute this is, and I love how it just makes my lips look so shiny and feel so moisturized. So yeah, throw some more on like I needed it. That's really smooth. I like that. I love that. This is really good, y'all. So yeah, y'all, that is it. That was it. Again, the theme for this month was Wonderlust, and this was the Ipsy bag, the Ipsy $12 bag for August 2021. You guys, let me know what you guys got down below in your bag. Did y'all like your bag? And let me know what you guys received in your little bag. I'm gonna keep the little bag. Again, they get some wonderful little products in there, and I really love the balance with the I really enjoyed the balance today with the makeup and then the face products. You know, you got two facial products, like the lotion and the scrub, or whatever that was, the lotion and the cleansing, and you had your 3 makeup products. I dig that. Even it out. Just even it out. Like, I'm good with that. That made me feel so wonderful because I feel like I got my makeup. And then I got some, you know, the skincare. Just, y'all want to throw skincare in there? Even it out. Even it out. That was dope. So, again, that was the month of August 2021. And that was the Ipsy bag for this month, you guys. And the theme, again, was Wonderlust. So, let me know down in the comments, did you like that bag? What didn't you like out of that bag? And let me know what you could have went without and what was your favorite product. So, that is it, you guys. Yeah, that's it for this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it so you guys can see more of me and see more of the bags and the makeup and the hair and all of that good stuff. I think you guys would enjoy it. I think you would. I think you'd enjoy me. I enjoy me, so I know you'd enjoy me. So that is it. I'm done. I'm gone. It's a wrap. No howling, no fussing, no cursing, no none of that. We like that bag. We like that bag. Okay? That was a really, really dope bag. And again, even it out, Ipsy. Boxy, if you're listening, even it out. You got your little bit of facial products right over here, skincare, and then you have your makeup over here. And it's like, it's a win-win for the skincare junkies, and it's a win-win for the makeup junkies. So you got your skin people happy and your makeup people happy. So I enjoy that. So that is it. I'm done. I'm gone. It's a wrap. It's over. Finito. I'm done. Okay? Let me know what you guys think about that bag. If I forgot anything, please charge to the game and not my heart. I thank y'all so much. I do. I thank y'all so very much. And we are on our way to 2K. We finna get there soon so I can do this giveaway. I'm excited about this giveaway for real. Let's get to it. Let's get it. Let's get it. I'll see y'all in my next video. I'm ego tripping and I'm out. Bye, y'all.